This is an unboxing of Tomcat mouse killer right here. This right here kills up to 12 mice with each block, and there's 4 blocks in here. As you can see right here, there's 4 blocks in here, as it says. Block bait, 1 refillable station, bait station. All right, so this is just 1 station that has 4 blocks in here. So this is the mouse killer. It says it's child and dog resistant, fillable station. This bait station is resistant to weather and tampering by children and dogs for use indoors and outdoors. Okay, so that's just a little bit of the literature that they have on the outside. As you can see right here, it says it's a clear lid for easy monitoring. So you can see when the mice bite on the block, you can see if it's gone and if it needs to be replaced. And on the side, it just shows you where you should place this: behind appliances, inside cabinets, garages, basements, home exterior. Okay, there's some instructions on the back that you need to read through, and they're basically just precautionary instructions on the back. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this up at the top. All right, so I'm just going to pull out this box, Tomcat. So here is the box right here. All right, so that's the box where the bait is going to go inside of there. And inside of here are the bait blocks. All right, here are the blocks in here. So that's 4 block baits right here that go inside of here. So that's the unboxing. If you check the description part of the page, I'll leave a link to the actual putting in the block bait inside of the Tomcat. All right, let me know if you have any questions. That is the unboxing of Tomcat mouse killer. Thanks a lot.